Recently, I get many queries related to breakout trading and pullback trading. Many people get confused with breakout trading and a pullback trading. See, in my opinion, breakout trading is a different concept. Pullback trading is a different concept. Whenever you try to mix these two, you will always get confusion and your trade ideas may not go proper. Okay, I will share you simple example. For example, let's say this is a resistance zone. Okay, this is a resistance. So price traded took resistance couple of times at this point at this particular price level. Now it's showing a breakout signal. So the real breakout is price will not come back. It will go up like this. Okay, price will not come back and test the resistance level, and it will go straight away. So this is a powerful breakout trading opportunity. In this kind of trade opportunity, you will get very good moves on the upside. This is especially good for all type of trading. But the thing is, again, there are advantages and disadvantages as well. The advantage is whenever you get a profitable trade, you will get a very good profits. You will get a very good move in your expected direction. Okay. So the disadvantage is sometimes what happens is it might come back, it might hit your stop loss, and then it can go upside. Okay. There is a possibility. But whenever you get a trade, you will get very good profits. See, this is all about breakout trading. Now, when we come to pullback trading, what happens is, assume there is a resistance trend line like this. Price tested this couple of times, and now it is showing a breakout signal. So in the pullback trading opportunity, what happens is price comes back and test the breakout price level, and then it will go upside. Okay, so this is called as pullback trade opportunity. Don't get confused with breakout and pullback. So in pullback, what happens is it involves a simple breakout earlier, and then it gives a pullback, and then it goes upside. In breakout trade opportunity, there is no pullback. Okay, you can pick either breakout or you can pick either pullback. It's up to you. There are advantages and disadvantages as well. In pullback trading opportunity, what happens is, don't think your trade is completely safe, because when you look for pullback, sometimes it might show some reversal, but it can still hit your stop loss and it can go upside. Okay, this is a one disadvantage with pullback trade opportunity. Another disadvantage is pullback opportunity. Sometimes what happens is, after the breakout, assume you will be waiting for a pullback, but instead of giving pullback, it straight away goes up like this. Okay, that is another disadvantage with pullback trading. Now the advantage with pullback trading opportunity is your stop loss will be small. Okay, so that you can take good quantity. The stop loss will be small. In breakout trade opportunity, what happens is usually the stop loss will be bigger, but compared to breakout trade opportunity, pullback trading opportunity, the stop loss will be smaller. Okay, these are the advantages and disadvantages with the breakout and pullback trading opportunity. So a few years back, I made a clear simple image to explain this, because Indians love cricket, right? So I created this video. Okay, so breakout is like a Virendra Sehwag. From ball one, he start hitting, right? So that's a breakout trade opportunity. Whereas pullback trading is, after it's like a Rohit Sharma. He initially takes some time and then it starts hitting on the at the end, right? So nowadays, in the last few T20s, even Rohit Sharma started hitting at the ball one. That's a different story. But earlier, that was his batting style, right? Now, this is the strong breakouts looks like this. Okay, whereas pullback trading look like this. So I have made a dedicated video even on strong breakouts. I have made a dedicated video even on pullback trading in detail videos. So I will share the link of both the breakouts and the pullback trading videos in the description section. You can check both. And in my opinion, there is no such thing as this is superior, this is inferior. It's all about what type of trading complements your personality. For example, for me, strong breakout complements my personality. If your personality get complements with pullback trading, you can stick to pullback trading. There is no problem with it. But if your personality is suitable for strong breakouts, you can stick to strong breakout. Okay, don't think this is superior or this is inferior. You can pick any one thing and study the particular concept in depth. For example, let's say you are a person who likes breakout trading opportunity. In that case, what you can do is take 100 breakout charts, minimum. I've seen people who study a concept, they don't even study that particular concept in 4 or 5 charts. They straight away jump into take trade in the live market. This is a definite way of losing money. It is like you purchase everything like a cricket bat, everything. Instead of practicing a rehearsal on the match day, you wore gloves, pad, everything, and you went to bat, right? Definitely you will get hit by the fast bowlers. So my suggestion is, you pick any trading concept, study that particular concept in 100 charts, take experts opinion, then only jump into real trading. Okay, now if you want any help related to this, if you're dedicated and serious to work about this, what you can do is you can but mark everything in 100 charts, put all the 100 charts in a Word document. You can send it to me. My email ID is indrajit.s@gmail.com. If you send it to me, then definitely I will go through with all the 100 charts, and then I will mention my comments wherever it is necessary. Okay, so this is how I can support your trading journey. If you are really interested, you can work on it and you can send charts to my email ID. Okay, so that's all about this. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. I'm making a live trading workshop which covers both investment, swing trading, and intraday trading as well in the June 1st week. If you are interested, you can check. The link is in the description. That's all I want to cover in this video. Thank you, friends. See you. Bye bye.